Oh my God, I'm quarantined with my family. Tip number two, good news, bad news. So you probably have some good habits and some bad habits that you're not even aware of. But here's a great thing that you can do while you're quarantined for the next 2 weeks. Ask your family to all write down one new habit that they'd like to form. Because if you do anything for about 21 days in a row every day, it sometimes forms a new habit. That can be a bad habit or a good habit. That's why you don't want to form new bad habits during this time. Be conscious of the habits that you're forming, but this is a great time for you to form a new habit because you're going to have the time at home uninterrupted. You can do it with your kids. So your kids can come up with a habit. If they're older, if they're 4 or older, ask them. Explain to them what a habit is, and then ask them what new habit they want to try to establish in the next 14 days. For yourself, think really deeply. Think about a habit that would make your life better, make your children's life better, make your life more valuable, the quality of your life better. And that can be an eating habit, a sleeping habit, it can be a time management habit, it can be a work habit. There's so many habits that we form that we don't even realize, little things that we do because that's what we always did. But guess what? Habits form when you're little. And so by helping your children form a habit and be conscious of forming a habit, you may be starting something change. Put a little chart on the refrigerator and have everybody check off, today I did this. This is the thing I did today, and I'm going to do it again tomorrow. Build momentum, reward everybody. Come up with a reward that you want to give yourself if you actually make it for the whole 14 days. I would make it for 21 because it's really going to be hard to keep that habit up if we go back to normal life after 14 days. That's when you'll know whether it's really going to stick or not. It can be an exercise habit, it can be a food habit, it can be a habit, it can be a prayer habit, a religious habit. There's so many habits. There's a ton of great books out there on this too. I should put a link to this, but I may do that. There's a couple good books that I would recommend, and I'll try to put a link on here so you can go straight to Amazon and get it, since we need it to be delivered to your door because you can't go outside. All right, have a great one.